Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture in which we are going to study about various empirical relationships that are established by the various researchers across the world for the value of compression index. We already know that CC, that is compression index, is more widely accepted as compared to the coefficient of compressibility, that is EV. And the reason is that the value of a CC is a constant for a NC soil. And as it is constant for a soil, it is more widely used. So, various researchers across the world tried to give empirical relationships for the value of a CC for any soil. And there are various formulae that you can also use or adopt in your practical field also. So let us move to the first formula, that is Scampton formula. Scampton gave this formula in 1944 and he related CC with the liquid limit for the remolded clays as CC equal to 0.007 into liquid limit minus 10. Another formula after this was given by Terzaghi and Peck on the basis of the work of Scampton and others. They gave the formula in 1948 and related the value of a CC for normally consolidated clays of low to moderate sensitivity as CC equals to 0.009 into liquid limit minus 10. After this, Azos gave the formula in 1976 that related CC with the void ratio, liquid limit, and the natural water content as CC equals to 0.37 into E naught plus 0.003 liquid limit plus 0.0004 normal water content minus 0.34. Apart from this, another formula was also given for organic soil as CC equals to 0.115 into natural water content. Apart from this, another formula was given by Hogg in 1957 for the pre-compressed soil as CC equal to zero point 0.3 into E naught minus 0.27. Apart from this, another formula that was given in 1985 by Nagraj and Srinivas Murthy was to relate the value of CC with the void ratio. And CC is given as 0.2343 into EL, where EL is nothing but that is the void ratio at liquid limit, whereas CC is also related with the in situ void ratio as 0.39 into E naught. Another common formula for all type of clays is given as 1.15 into E naught minus 0.35, whereas for low plastic clays, the formula for CC is equals to be 0.75 into E naught minus 0.5. See, here there are various formulae, and which formula will be adopted in your field or in your question will depend upon that what type of soil you have. So you need to list out all these formulae and apply whatever is suitable for your case. I'm ending this lecture here only. We will meet again in our next lecture with some more concepts or questions. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.